The Volkswagen Golf R, it almost needs no explanation. It's the ultimate all-season hot hatch that blends high performance and practicality all into one package. We have this Mk8 Golf R for sale, and it's far from your standard spec Golf R. It features the optional extra Akrapovic lightweight titanium exhaust system for a more aggressive exhaust note, and the panoramic glass sunroof. But a big option, which is no longer available now, is the R Performance Pack, which is distinctive by its rear roof spoiler. That package also features the 19-inch Estoril wheels, a top speed increase to 167 mph, and two special driver modes, one being the drift mode, which, if you're feeling confident enough, will help you work that torque veteran rear differential to help you slide the car, and also a tailor-made mode specifically for the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Specification is important. Everything that we cherry pick to sell must meet our high specification criteria, which this car does. This Golf R has now completed our 60-hour unrivaled preparation process, where our team of in-house professional detailers have perfected every panel of this car inside and out to the best possible condition. This car is now ready for sale, so if you would like to find out more information about it, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.